everyone. So this week we are multiplying fractions, and the way that we multiply fractions is we really focus on the numerator part of it. The denominator, since it's telling us what family we're in, we don't have to do anything. It'll always be what it says it's going to be. So if it's a ninth, it's a 9. So what we're multiplying is mainly the numerator. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm using the enrichment room manipulatives, but you can use your manipulatives at home too. So if I was getting 5 ninths times 1, I'd be get 5 ninths. So 5 times 1 is 5, which equals 5 ninths. I'm not going to have you guys reduce the fractions on this one. You don't need to worry about that one. So for the next one, I have tenths. 1/10 times 10. So this is 1/10, and I have to get it 10 times. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 1/10 10 times. So that equals how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you could do 1 times 10 equals 10. 10 tenths equals 1 whole. You could say that as well. So now I put those back. We have 2 ninths times 4. Again, we do not have to mess with the bottom number. We only have to mess with the top number. So I need to get 2 ninths 4 times. So there's 2 ninths, 2 ninths, 2 ninths, and 2 ninths. So we could do either 4 times 2 equals 8, or we can count them if we didn't know the answer. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it equals 2 8 ninths. Again, you have this on your paper, so you can be doing this with me. All right, we'll put those back. Again, you're just worried about the numerator, which is the top number when we multiply fractions. You guys will soon get into next year, probably into more complicated multiplying, but we're just doing basic multiplication for right now. So I have 1/5, and I have to take 1/5 2 times. So here's 1, 2. What does that equal? 2/5, or you could do 1 times 2 is 2/5. Okay. Now we have to take 3/10 2 times. Again, we're only worried about the top number. So I have 3/10 2 times. So here's 3/10, 3/10. That's 3/10 2 times. Or 3 times 2, worried about just 3 times 2, which equals 6. And our answer is 6/10. We're not reducing fractions. Reminder that we're not reducing that. Alrighty, so we're going to put those back. And then I have 5/6 times 1. So I have to get 5/6 one time. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have to get another grouping? No. So, or we can look at it, 5 times 1 equals 5 what? 5/6. All right. Now we have to get 2/10 3 times. So we have 2/10 3 times. One group, second group, third group. 2 times 3 is 6, or if we didn't know it, we could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it is equal to 6/10. Alrighty. Then we have 1/8 times 4. So we have to get 1/8 4 times. So we're going to get 1/8 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many eighths is that all together? It is equal to 4/8. Again, you do not need to reduce. So we are going to do this one without our manipulatives, and I'm just going to do it with you guys. So again, we're only focused on the numerator when we're multiplying fractions. So we have 2/9 times 3. We know that our fact family is 9, so we just put that number down. We have to do 2 times 3. What is 2 times 3? That is 6. And that is equal to 6/9. We have 1/10 times 8. What is our fact family that we know we have to put down? It's 10. And then we have 1 times 8, which is equal to 8. So we have 8/10 is our answer. Our fact family is what? We have 7, so we know it's going to be 7. And we have to do 2/7 times 3, which is 2 times 3 is what? 6/7. We have 1/2 times 2. So our family is halves, so we put that at the bottom. And then we have 1 times 2 is 2. This is why knowing your multiplication is really important, because we can just whip them out like that. Our fact family is 8. We know we just have to put that number down automatically. And we're focusing on multiplying 4 times 2, which is 8, which is equal to 8/8. We have 5/10 times 2. Again, what's our denominator family? It is tenths. And we're doing 5 times 2, which is 10. So that equals 1 whole, or 10/10. And then we have 1/7. Our family is sevenths. And we have 1 times 4, which is 4, which gives us 4/7. Our fact family for the next one is 2/8 times 1. Our fact family is 8. We do 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So that's 2/8. Alrighty, hopefully this all makes sense, and I'll be with you guys on Wednesday to help you out a little bit more. Alright, talk to you guys later.